Me and Shane are hitting up Silver Run Falls. This one is only 0.2 of a mile. We're actually going to do about 4 waterfalls today. So this is in Sapphire, North Carolina. These are all super easy hikes, so I'll just show you a couple little small pieces of them. So next up is Coyote Falls Trail. This one I believe is 0.7 of a mile total. Another super easy hike. This one is a little bit harder to find. There's no signs or anything for this one. So hopefully this is the right trail. But it is the next right. We started at Silver Run Falls. The next right pull off across from the guardrail is where this one is. So this is the only spot that's kind of tricky getting down. They do have a rope if you want to hold on to that. Otherwise this trail is super easy. This is just a small little spot.
Dirty.
Yep, getting us dirty, the dogs are.
Easy.
Banner coming in. Alright, girls, I'm gonna go like that. Yeah, come on, Judy. Go. Go. Those little black balls. Next up is the Sloan Bridge Trail. Supposedly there's 3 little falls we can see out here. This one is 1.2 miles total. Let's do it. So we just did a scramble down. Not real sure which waterfall this one is. This is the last one, so possibly hiker's peril. You see all of them from up top though, but we did a little scramble down and it's totally worth it. There's Shane on his birthday.
Right.
Another little scramble to get to this part also. Last time we came we made it all the way to the bottom, but we have the girls this time and it's a little too sketch to take them down there, so we're gonna stop right here. Come on.
Oh, good job.
Alright, so we were driving to go to the White Owl is next. It's not in the line like the other ones. Come on, girls. And we saw it on the map. It's called D.E.W Falls. Somebody was here, said it's super quick, so we're gonna go check it out. Alright, so another little random waterfall on the way that we saw on the map. What's this one called?
John's Jump.
John's Jump. So it is super nice. Totally worth the little scramble down here, but super quick hike.